Leave it. Hey. Leave it. No.
You can't get that silly. You can't. I know, Ashley's always eating something good. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Hmm?
Oh, precious. Move. I want to eat this. Come on, move up. Come on. Okay. Find your footing. All right. That was cute. Here. Stop. Don't you go on the table. Go on the table. Oh, no. I'm on the table. He thinks that we just share plates of food.
Sharing is
Look.
caring.
Don't you take off it. Take the crumbs. Okay. He'll take a big bite. Watch. See, he's... And your feathers are on it. It's rude.